If you are using Google Maps and have navigated to a specific location, you may want to delete that location from your history. Here are the steps on how to do it. Open Google Maps. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your data in Maps. Tap on See and Delete activity. Select the date range of the location history you want to delete. Tap on Delete. Please note that deleting your location history will permanently remove it from your Google account. You will not be able to recover it once it is deleted. If you do not want Google Maps to track your location history at all, you can turn it off by following these steps. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your data in Maps. Scroll down to Location History and tap on it. Tap on to turn it off. I hope this helps.